In front of me is BLACKVIEW Tab 12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers on this tablet. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Safety and Emergency. Then click on Emergency Information and tap on Add Contact. Now click on the one that you wish to set up and do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. To delete one of them, hit this X next to the one that you wish to remove and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!